So for Amy's colors in her room, we're going to take her from a really neutral wall color and we're going to give her a nice soft green backdrop. And we're going to keep everything light and bright. She only has one window in here and it's not a huge space, so we're going to really take everything from our darker furniture. We're going to lighten that up, lighten up her wall color, and then we're going to bring in this beautiful fabric. This is a great way to bring in some purple, but in a big girl way. And we've got some green and blue in here as well. This fabric we're going to incorporate on her window for a Roman shade. That way she'll have a nice big piece of this that when it's down, you really get the impact and the color of the fabric, but it can also be raised up to get all your natural light in as well. So some other ways that we're going to bring in Amy's favorite color of purple is to take her existing dresser, which is here, and it's in that dark espresso finish, and it functions really well for her and her parents, but we're going to give it this brand new look using this Amy Howard one-step paint, and this is the color Orchid, and we're just going to jazz it up and give it all new life. It's going to be bright and fun, and up against her green wall color, that's really going to stand out and take new life, and I think she's going to love this. We'll put a mirror above that and just make this a great little vanity station for her. And that's actually going to change in the room. So we're going to take you on a little tour of the layout of Amy's room next.